Fares skyrocket in fast-growing India on Boeing 737 MAX ban. Average fares on 14 main routes jumped more than 65% on Thursday, compared with a year ago, data from online travel agent yatra.com showed. In contrast, tickets from the technology hub of Bengaluru to the financial capital of Mumbai, a distance of just over 500 miles, were selling for 12,748 rupees $180 on Thursday, compared with 8,643 rupees 2 days ago, according to Yatra. Global regulators from China to the US have grounded the best-selling Boeing plane after a 737 MAX jet flown by Ethiopian Airlines Group crashed minutes after takeoff, 5 months after a Lion Air jet of the same type plunged off the coast of Indonesia. More than a quarter of the DGCA's decision to ground 737 MAX aircraft has resulted in a fairly significant impact on the airfares for immediate travel on certain key routes, said Sharad Dal, Chief Operating Officer of the Business-to-Consumer segment at Yatra Online Private. With current increase, India's Directorate General of Civil Aviation, the regulator, has asked airlines to keep fares at regular levels, and all airlines agreed not to indulge in predatory pricing, BS. Bolar, ahead. For more articles like this, please visit us at Copyright 2019 Bloomberg LP.
Raindrop, drip, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, pot.